Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the SoundCloud widget onto your project. For instance, here I have this artist, Tom Damage. This is his SoundCloud, and these are all the songs that he's ever uploaded. This is what it looks like when I add it onto my project using the SoundCloud widget. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this along with a couple of other tricks that I know you might like. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want you to do is head over to this website. I'll leave a link in the description. And then once you're here, go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you're going to want to copy this iframe. Alright, let's paste that inside of our project. Now they did make a couple of typos in here. For instance, they forgot to add a quote right here where it says autoplay, and they also added an extra space in here. So let's delete that. Now if we run this code now, it's going to display a particular track that they added the ID for here, which is 293. All right, let's go ahead and run this to see what we have. And as you can see, we have this track. Now let's display a track that we want to display. So to do that, let's go over to SoundCloud, search for whatever artist you want. I'm going to go with this one. And let's say that I want to display this song. I'm going to click on share. Click embed, and I'm going to need to grab the ID of this song to replace the one that I currently have. So let's click over here. Let's scroll to the right, do it slowly because it does go kind of quick. And notice that right here where it says tracks, and then there's a number. This is the ID number of this song. So this is the ID that we want to place in here. All right, let's delete this one and then add the ID for the song that we want. All right, let's run this, or it's already running because I have it on auto save. But as you can see, we now have this particular song. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but there is this add your parameters here. So this is completely optional. And the parameters that we can add in there are all in here. So let me show you how to use some of these so you can learn how to do that. Let me show you how to use color and show artwork. All right, so we're going to replace this with color. We're going to set that equal to a hex code. Let me search for the hex code for green. I'm going to copy this. You don't need the hashtag. And we're just going to add that in there. Let's add one more. We do that using the and symbol. And we're going to use the show artwork. All right, we're going to set that equal to false. So if we look at this again, you'll notice that the play button is now green and the artwork is no longer available. All right, there's a different way to do this. Let me show you how. So let's go back over here, and instead of just copying the ID, let's copy the entire thing here. So let's comment this one out and paste the other one down there. All right, so as you can see, we have the same thing, only this time the artwork is covering the entire background. All right, now let me show you how to display every single song that a user has ever liked. Well, to do that, let's delete this iframe and let's uncomment this one. All right, so let's go ahead and delete from where it says tracks all the way to the ID number of the track. We can also get rid of the parameters. You can keep them if you want. I just prefer it without them. And then right here, we're going to add users and then backslash. All right, so let's grab the ID of our account. So to grab that, go ahead and log in. You're going to click on these three little dots and settings. Click on content, and then right here where it says RSS feed, you'll notice that there's an ID number here. Well, this is the ID number to your account. So we're going to add that number in here. And also add a backslash and then type in favorites. All right, so now if we look over here, this is a list of all of the songs that I've ever liked. But the reason that you can't see all of them is because the height here is set to 166. So I'm going to change that to 465. All right, that's a little bit better. You can also adjust the width. I'm going to go with 50%. All right, and adjusting the width and height allows you to fit this widget wherever you want on your website. All right, let me show you one more trick. So instead of displaying all of the songs that you've ever liked, Let me show you how to display all of the songs that a user has ever uploaded. For instance, we have this artist. Oops, I went back a little bit too much. So we have this artist, Tom Damage, and these are the songs that he's ever uploaded. Well, let's display these on our widget. Let's go back over here and let's delete right here where it says API dot, and also all the way from where it says users to favorites. And we're going to replace that with the username of the user that we want to display their music on our widget. So I'm going to use this artist. This is his username. You can always find it in the top. And we're just going to add that in there. All right, so now if we go over here, you can see that we have Tom Damage, and these are the songs that he's ever uploaded. And that concludes this tutorial. Please make sure to hit the like button if you found this useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.